I thought I was getting a pretty good deal on these Williams F7 shells. $14 a piece from eBay, and I think I had free shipping, so it seemed like a good deal at the time. Once I received them, I began to think about everything needed to make this completed shell, not even including the base, but the shell alone would need the number boards, the headlamp lens up front, two horns on the roof, and the cab glass. Now, those parts don't seem like they would cost that much, but I checked, and altogether that would be more than the cost of each shell. So I made a note to myself in the future to look for something that was a little more complete. I stumbled upon these Williams F7s in a green Pennsylvania paint scheme, and they were all there. They weren't running, but all the pieces were there to make a finished model. It's a little strange to think that all of these locomotives began their lives painted for Pennsylvania, but when I get them, they're in pretty bad shape, and the original paint can't be saved. So after I clean them and give them a little wet sand to smooth out any nicks or scratches, I repaint them with Rust-Oleum spray cans, and most of the time the results are pretty good. I don't have a very big layout, and I don't run my trains very often. So it's more economical for me to buy shells that match a locomotive that I already own, and that way I can just swap out the bases. I have a lot of Williams trains, but I've also been collecting some Lionel Alcos and F3 shells lately, so those will be projects that you'll see in the future. In this video, I will just be focusing on the Williams F7s.